Here we go. We have a question, spiral traversing a matrix. So you have given a rectangular matrix of size n cross m, and your task is to return an array while traversing the matrix in spiral form. So we have this matrix. So first, what we'll do? We will iterate in this manner. So first iterate this, then this, then this way, then this way. So after iterating to all the elements, we have this array. So we need to return into a list format. So now let's try to build the approach. It's a straightforward question. We have nm. Then now let's try to build the approach. First, what do we have? We have to traverse in this. So what is this? This is the topmost row from left to right. This is the topmost row, and we have to traverse into left to right. So let me write it here. Uh, Top row. Then we have to traverse from left to right. Then we have iterated in this way. Then we have to iterate in this way. So what is this? This is the rightmost column from top to bottom, and we have iterated till this cell. So next we will iterate from this cell from top to bottom, and this is the uh, right side column. So we have a right column from top to top to bottom. And before that, let's do one thing. We have iterated in the top row from left to right. Then we have to iterate in this manner, but we iterated 2 times. So what we'll do, we start from this index. So we have iterated in the topmost row. So just increment your top pointer, top variable. Now we can iterate in the rightmost column, from top to bottom. So this is the topmost value from top to bottom. We have iterated. So we have done till now. Then we have to iterate in this manner, but we have iterated till here. So first, let me write this. This is the bottommost row. Bottommost row from right to left. But we have iterated this 3 already. So why not, let's iterate from this right to this left, from this right to this left. So we have iterated in the right column, so just decrement your right. Now we will iterate from this cell to this cell, from right to left. So just increment your decrement your right, because we have iterated this right side cell. Now we will start from this right. So from bottom row to the bottom row, we have to iterate from right to left. So we will iterate in this manner. Next we have to iterate till here, but we have top as this value. First we have top as this. So we have iterated till here. Now we have incremented our top. Now top is here. Top is here, only here. We have top value as 1. We have top value as 1. We have top value as 1. So what we'll do? We will try to go from bottom to top on the left side row, on the left side column, from the left side column. This is the column, and on the left column, we have to go from bottom to top. But this bottommost cell we have already traversed, so why not start from this bottom cell to this top cell. So just decrement your bottom, because we have iterated bottom cell already. So I was talking about this cell, this loop. So this loop is for left side column from bottom to top. So from bottom to top. Now top is 1. Initially top is 0. So we have incremented our top. Top is here. Top is at cell this. So what we have traversed till here. Now the next iteration is this. Next iteration is the topmost row from left to right. But initially the left, this is the left side column. But we have already traversed 6. So why not start our left to this? So just increment your left. So increment your left. So we have this loop, then we are doing this. We have this loop, then we are doing this. We have this loop, we are doing this. We have this loop, then we are here. We have traversed our left side. Now we will try to iterate on the next column. So what we'll do? We again have this on the topmost row. Top is this, from left to right, from this cell to this cell. So let me erase this. So first we have iterated till here. Next we have iterated till here. Next we have iterated till here. Then we have iterated till here. Then we have iterated till here. Next only till here, because this is the right side column, and we are traversing from top to bottom. So we are done till now. Next we have this from right to left, from on the bottommost row from right to left. Then we have left side column, but left side is this. Now left side is this, but this cell is already traversed. So we will start from this, but this cell is already marked. How do we check? If we will iterate only till if left is smaller than or equal to right, and top side, top this is the top row, top is also smaller than or equal to bottom. Either we have one column or one row, or more than one row or one column. So we are iterating only till here. If any of this step, as we are incrementing or decrementing, we are updating our 4 variables. So if this thing does not true, then we will just break out. So let me show you the code, so then you will have a clear understanding. So we have this topmost row, leftmost column, rightmost column, then rightmost column, then bottommost row. Then this is for answer. Top is less than or equal to bottom, left less than or equal to right. On the topmost row, we are iterating from left to right. So this is from left to right loop, and row is topmost row. Then we have incremented as we have traversed our topmost row. Then we are iterating on the rightmost column from top to bottom. This is our next for loop on the right column from top to bottom. So we have top to bottom loop, and in this we are iterating from top to bottom, and in this our column is fixed. Column is right column. Next we have updated this. Then we are iterating in the bottommost row from right to left. This is from right to left on the bottommost column. So bottommost row. So row is fixed. Row is bottommost row from right to left. Next we have traversed the bottommost row. So just go to the next row. Next row. Next, this is the last loop. So we are traversing on the left side column, and we are going from bottom to top. I hope you can visualize it. So first we have this loop on the topmost row, left to right. Then we have this on the right side column, top to bottom. Next we have this bottommost row, right to left. Then we have this left column, bottom to top. So left column, bottom to top. In this left column is left, and we are updating our row. Next we have traversed the left side, so just update as we are updating our four variables which is used here. So if any of the condition is false, either top bottom or left right, so then just break out. So we have to write the condition here. If top is greater than bottom or left is greater than right, so just break out, and we have to write in all of the four after every for loop, after updating every variable also. So we are updating our variable, just write it here, then just write it here, just write it here, and at the end just return your answer. So now let's submit this. Let's talk about time and space complexity. So we are visiting one cell only once. So the time complexity is n cross m, and the space complexity is n cross m. It is giving me TLE, so let's submit it again. I hope it will work. So the code is given in the description box. I hope you have learned something new. Let's wait for it to submit. I don't know why previously it has given me TLE, but this code is working fine and I have not made any change. So we have solved this question successfully. Let's find out if we have meet it. Yes, we have met the expected time and space complexity. Thank you all for watching this video.